Is Android a programming language, or is it an operating system? This is a common question for those new to software development. Android is an operating system, not a programming language. It serves as the foundation for millions of devices, from smartphones and tablets to wearables and TVs. Think of Android as the manager of your device, coordinating hardware and software for seamless performance. Android's story began in 2003 with Android Incorporated, aiming to create a smarter mobile platform. Google acquired Android in 2005, and the first Android device launched in 2008. Since then, Android has rapidly evolved, becoming the world's most widely used mobile operating system. Its open-source nature drives innovation and customization. At its core, Android is built on the Linux kernel. Its architecture has key layers: the Linux kernel, hardware abstraction layer, native libraries and runtime, application framework, and applications. The Linux kernel manages hardware and security. The hardware abstraction layer helps device makers support different hardware. Native libraries and runtime ensure apps run smoothly. The application framework organizes system services for developers, while applications are what users interact with daily, from messaging apps to games. Understanding these basics prepares you for a deeper exploration. In Part 2, we'll examine Android's architecture in greater detail. Remember, Android is more than software. It's the system powering a connected world.